Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, I'm showing you how to set up OpenAI API environment variables on Windows. So just go ahead and tap your Windows key and search for command prompt. In my case, I can just right click and open it from the context menu right over here. And it will work in this window. Then guys, copy your secret token from your OpenAI dashboard to your clipboard. And then paste the native environment variable allocation command string in here into the terminal window and swap out the placeholder value text with your actual alphanumeric key and hit enter. So the command is as follows. And of course, instead of, what do we have it? This one, just input your, right here, sorry. You just input your real code here. Okay, and now let's run a quick operational check to verify that your system architecture successfully indexed the variable. So open up a terminal shell window. Okay, there you go. And then just type out this native retrieval string, command line to pull the data directly from your system environment layer. It's going to be this one right here. And your screen will instantly flash your complete API key token string, confirming that your Python runtime environment can now safely query it using code. So guys, just stop exposing your private billing profiles to automated exploit bots through lazy, hard-coded scripts. So that is it. Hit that subscribe button as well to make sure that you get notified about the new tutorials we produce. Press like, of course, on the video. See you in the next one.